Welcome back to the channel. We're all about providing financial insights for aspiring millionaires. Be sure to subscribe if you're passionate about living a life of abundance and success. Life as a full-time employee doesn't preclude you from building serious wealth. In fact, a steady 9 to 5 can provide the stability, benefits, and cash flow you need to become a millionaire. Here are 3 proven strategies to transform your day job into a launchpad for a 7-figure net worth. Master your income trajectory. Your salary is the foundation of every wealth plan. Maximizing your earnings over time accelerates how quickly you can save and invest. Negotiate and upskill. Negotiate proactively. Research market rates for your role, websites like Glassdoor, PayScale. When you take on new responsibilities or exceed targets, schedule a compensation review. Even a 5 to 10% raise compounds significantly over a decade. Invest in high ROI skills. Identify certifications, advanced degrees, or technical skills that command premium salaries in your industry. Data analytics, cloud computing, project management, and leadership training often yield salary uplifts of 15 to 30%. Climb the corporate ladder. Volunteer for stretch assignments that visibly impact revenue or costs. High performers get promoted faster. Build relationships with mentors and sponsors who can champion your advancement. Aim for roles with built-in equity or bonus potential, sales, product management, engineering, to turbocharge your total compensation. Automate your savings and investments. A millionaire mind is built on disciplined, consistent investing, ideally without having to think about it day to day. Maximize employer-sponsored plans. Contribute at least enough to capture your full pension match. That's an immediate 100% return on your money. Once matched, consider increasing contributions annually until you hit the IRS limit. Dollar-cost averaging into low-cost funds. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck or checking account into index fund ETFs or mutual funds. Over years, compound interest and market growth can turn small, regular contributions into substantial wealth. Aim for a broadly diversified mix. For example, total market or target date funds to balance growth and risk. Supplement with after-tax accounts. Open a brokerage account for additional investing beyond retirement vehicles. Automate $200 to $500 per month into dividend-paying stocks or balanced ETFs. Reinvest dividends and capital gains to supercharge compounding. Leverage your 9 to 5 to build scalable side income. Your job's stability and benefits can underwrite new ventures without risking your day-to-day bills. Strategic freelancing or consulting. Identify skills you can monetize part-time: writing, graphic design, coding, project advising. Keep overhead low by using marketplaces, Upwork, Fiverr, or direct networking for clients. Reinvest profits into your investment accounts or seed capital for other ventures. Real estate via your paycheck. Use steady income and good credit to secure favorable mortgage terms. Consider house hacking. Buy a multifamily property, live in one unit, rent out the others to cover mortgage and maintenance. As equity grows, refinance or take cash-out loans to acquire additional properties, building a rental portfolio that generates passive cash flow. Corporate side projects. Pitch internal initiatives that can evolve into new revenue streams for your employer. Get a share of profits or equity. Examples: a new customer referral program, patented process improvements, or digital products like training courses. Working a 9 to 5 doesn't mean you're confined to earning only a fixed salary. By accelerating your career, automating disciplined investing, and building side ventures that leverage your job's stability, you can create multiple engines of wealth. The combined effect of higher income, compounded returns, and diversified cash flows will carry you across the seven-figure finish line, often years before retirement age. Start today. Map out your income goals, set up your investment automations, and identify one side project you can launch this quarter. Your millionaire milestone is closer than you think. However, it sounds easier said than done. If you really want to ensure a foolproof plan for your millionaire game plan, you need to master the art of reducing your liabilities. Every dollar spared speeds up your journey to financial freedom.